Hello mga ka-trendies! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. The focus of our lesson for today is conducting survey using technology. Our most essential learning competency is uses technology in the conduct of survey to find out the elements to be observed in planting trees and fruit-bearing trees, market demands for fruits, and famous orchard farms in the country. And its subtasks are to define the terms survey, technology, demands, and orchards. To enumerate elements to be observed in planting. To differentiate year-round and seasonal fruits. And to enumerate famous orchard farms in the Philippines. Here is your first activity. Carefully read each item. Write the letter of your answers on a separate sheet of paper. First, trees and fruit trees require more space for growth than ornamental plants or crops. This is because they need enough blank. A. Fertilizer. B. Space. C. Soil. D. Water. Number 2. It is very important in the growth of all kinds of plants and trees. However, it must be controlled so as not to flood and drown the growing trees with water. A. Air. B. Climate. C. Soil. D. Water. Number 3. The growth of the plants depends upon the degree of how cold or the hot of the atmosphere is at certain period of time. A. Air. B. Soil. C. Temperature. D. Water. Number 4. The elements to be observed in planting a tree are its factors that can sustain. A. Growth. B. Mineral. C. Oil. D. Water. Number 5. Which of the following is defined as a piece of land planted with fruit trees? A. Garden. B. Nursery. C. Orchard. D. Plot. Number 6. It is a sweet, fleshy product of a tree that contains seeds and can be eaten as food. A. Fruits. B. Junk foods. C. Meat. D. Vegetables. Number 7. Generally, fruits are picked when they are blank. A. Mature enough. B. Overripe. C. Ripe. D. Young. Number 8. Which of the following should a farmer consider in ensuring success when it comes to selling fruits? A. Price your products based on the current price on the market. B. Fruits should be in their freshest state when being sold. C. Fruits are properly packed. D. All of the above. Number 9. Which group of fruits are not seasonal fruits? A. Banana, papaya, pomelo. B. chico, duhat, santol. C. guyabano, kaimito, langka. D. lanzones, mango, mangosteen. Number 10. How to maintain the freshness of fruits? A. Pack fruits properly in a good container. B. Should be exposed to sunlight. C. Put fruits everywhere. D. All of the above. Here is your second activity. I will give you 1 minute to answer this. Farmers nowadays have unlimited sources of knowledge aligned to their industry. They may acquire information easily through survey using technology, from new farming equipment, new farming methods, and most importantly, elements to be observed in planting. Planting trees requires careful study of various factors or elements to ensure proper adaptability and growth. And to achieve success in this industry, these elements include the first one is the place or location. Choose the best place for planting. Trees and fruit trees require more space for growth than ornamental plants or crops. This is because trees and fruit trees grow tall and wide. Number 2, seeds or seedlings. Choose the seeds or seedlings that best suit the season and the soil. This means that the seeds or seedlings come from good quality mother. Number 3, climate. It is the most important factor which affects the growth of the trees. It has been observed that varieties of trees grow best in certain climatic conditions such as temperature. The growth of the plants depends upon the degree of how cold or hot the atmosphere is at certain period of time. B. Sunlight. This is the main provider of energy in the process of food manufacture of the plant. And letter C. Rainfall. It is very important in the growth of all kinds of plants and trees. However, it must be controlled or moderate so as not to flood and drown the growing trees with water. And number 4, soil. The medium for growing in the trees which provides nutrients in plants as it contains minerals, elements necessary for a normal plant growth and development of the trees. Mineral soil and organic soil are composed of organic substances with varying amounts of decaying and partly decayed organic matter which would help in the growth of plants. And number 5, water. Water makes the leaves cool and dissolve the nutrients and transfer to the other parts of the tree. Water is one of the components in the process of making food for the plant called photosynthesis. 6. Fertilizers. These are added to the soil to increase its productivity. Organic fertilizers are those who come from composed of decayed fruit and vegetables peelings, animal manures, and food washing. Inorganic fertilizers are those that are made up of synthetic materials and are substitute for organic fertilizers. These Use commercial fertilizers must be regulated because overuse can poison the soil. 7. Ways to take care trees and fruit-bearing trees. Take care of the soil and the plants regularly. Caring for the young trees means removing the grass and weeds around them so they do not compete in getting the nutrients from the soil. Spray organic insecticide to protect the plants from insects or worms. The Philippines is a tropical country that produces lots of fruits. Philippine fruits are generally categorized into two, year-round fruits and seasonal fruits. The only fruits available year-round in the country are bananas, papayas, and pomelos. Some seasonal fruits in the Philippines include atis or custard apple, chico, naseberry, duhat, java plum, guyabano, soursop, kaimito, star apple, langka, jackfruit, lanzones, mango, mangosteen, rambutan, santol or cotton fruit, and many others. These fruits have high market demand. Market demand describes the demand for a given product and who wants to buy it. This is determined by how willing consumers are to spend a certain price on a particular good or services. As market demand increases, the price also increases. When the demand decreases, price will go down as well. Fruit entrepreneurs have different ways in determining market demands for fruits, but the easiest and fastest way is through technology-aided survey. The result of such survey is a big help for fruit growers as to the variety and quantity of fruit-bearing trees they will grow. Likewise, with the aid of technology, fruit growers are well updated on caring of fruit trees, harvesting, and marketing tips. Harvesting of fruit is done different seasons depending on the characteristics of each product. Generally, fruits are picked when they are mature enough, when they are ready to be sold or eaten. Mangoes, bananas, and papayas are harvested before they ripen. They should be green and matured. Pomelos and chicos should be picked at the right size and maturity. Native oranges or dalandans are picked while green. They eventually ripen. To ensure success in selling fruits, the farmer or seller should consider the following market demands. First, buyers select fruits of good quality. Good quality fruits have the same appearance, size, stage of maturity, state of freshness, and shape. 2. Fruits should be in their freshest state when being sold. They can command higher prices. Pack fruits properly in good containers to maintain their freshness and to avoid cuts, bruises, and blemishes. Number 3. Price your products based on the current price on the market. Going with the current price makes your product competitive. Generally, fruits are products of orchards. An orchard is an intentional planting of trees or shrubs that is maintained for food production. There are orchard farms in the country that are famous in their selected food products like Rosa Farms in Zambales, Ref Mud Farms in Ilocos Norte, Merlo Agricultural Corporation in Batangas, La Fuerta Incorporated, Mindanao, and many others. Here is your next activity. Happy face or sad face? Draw a happy face on the correct statements and a sad face on the false statements. You may browse the internet or interview experts to come up with the correct answer. Number 1. Water is one of the components in the process of making food for the plant called photosynthesis. Number 2. The seasonal fruits in the Philippines that have high market demand include guyabano, langka, lanzones, mango, mangosteen, rambutan, and many others. Number 3. Entrepreneurs may determine market demands for fruits through technology-aided survey. Number 4, with the aid of technology, fruit growers are well updated on caring of fruit trees, harvesting, and marketing tips. 5. Gapus Farms located in Bawang La Union is famous for its fruit products such as grapes and dragon fruits. Survey using technology. Interview a farmer or an orchard owner through a phone call or messaging applications. Document your tasks through pictures or shot videos. Send your pictures or videos to your teacher. Use the survey form below. Be guided with the rubric below. For your last activity, carefully read each item. Write the letter of your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Which of the following orchards located in Orayong, Bawang, La Union is famous not only for its grapes but also its intercrop guapal fruits? A. Bangkong Kahoy Valley. B. Lomboy Farms. C. Rock Farm. D. Strawberry Farm. Two, what product made Rosa Farms in Zambales famous? A. Dragon fruit. B. Mango. C. Rambutan. D. Strawberry. Number 3. Who owns the Rosit Cacao Farms in Davao City? A. Avelino Lumboy. B. Edita Aguinaldo Dakuykui. C. Grover Rosit. D. Rosa Magsaysay. Number 4. What elements should be controlled so that growing trees are safe from the possibility of drowning? A. Air. B. Climate. C. Soil. D. Water. Number 5. The elements to be observed in planting a tree are its factors that can sustain. A. Growth. B. Mineral. C. Oil. D. Water. Number 6. The growth of the plants depends upon the degree of how cold or hot the atmosphere is at certain period of time. A. Air, B. Soil, C. Temperature, D. Water. Number 7. Generally, fruits are picked when they are blank. A. Mature, B. Mature enough, C. Overripe, D. Young. Number 8. Which group of fruits are not seasonal fruits? A. Lanzones, mango, mangosteen. B. Guyabano, kaimito, langka. C. Banana, papaya, pomelo. D. Chico, duhat, santol. Number 9. How to maintain the freshness of fruits? A. Pack fruits properly in a good container. B. Should be exposed to sunlight. C. Put fruits everywhere. D. All of the above. Number 10. Who among the farmers uses a technology-aided survey wisely? A. Pedro disseminated the survey along the most consumed fruits and used the results as basis for his fruits stall business. Letter B. Jose used the survey to determine fruits that have high market demands. C. Jack used the technology-aided survey to know the seasonal fruits. D. Kat conducted a survey where to buy expensive fruits. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.